Hi guys, and today we're going to be on MSP, and I'm with
Willow.
yes. And today we're going to be checking out the theme. I mean, I haven't been really going to the store often because I can't really afford anything on my main. I'm not going to buy anything on my friend's account, but I will just be checking it out.
It's got 20%.
Okay, right. So far it looks okay, but I kind of don't like it because it looks Fortnite-ish. And I hate Fortnite, no offense to people who like it. Okay, I can already tell it's Fortnite, I already hate it.
Yeah, it is Fortnite because it says FN and that probably stands for Fortnite. And it says FU, I don't know how to spell it, but for children.
I mean, some of this stuff is cute though. I mean, it's Fortnite though. I'm sorry if you like it, but I hate Fortnite.
It's okay. I like it, but not like love it. I'm in the middle.
I just hate it. The animations, but I still hate this theme. Sorry. I mean,
I'm just playing on her phone. I don't know what it's called, but
MSP.
Yeah, I don't know how to do the code words for it. Like
MSP. Okay. I mean, I haven't really checked out the animations. I mean, I can already tell it's Fortnite by this. I know you might like.
It doesn't really look like Fortnite that much.
I know, but I'm not a pro, so. I mean, I like shoot. Cross that out, but shoot, because that's what it's called. And then I also like this, orange juice, or whatever it's called, yeah. But they copied a lot of these things from real life, I think. And then, first of all, I got really confused with this. But now I know what it's like. I don't know how you do it. I don't know how you wiggle. Well, it's just wiggling, actually. I know what this is, actually. I know what it is.
It's a bit of a weird dance. I think that's Orange Justice. I don't know.
That's Orange Justice, I think. I'm not a pro, so.
I know most of it because I played it at some of my friends' houses.
I really hate Fortnite.
That shuffle. Oh. Comment down below if you know what the electric shuffle is, because I do not.
Well. Shuffle. Okay, this is weird. I don't recognize this from Fortnite.
It looks like it's freezing up.
Well, that's normal. Alright, well, so far this theme is terrible.
No offense to people who like it.
Yeah. I mean, some of the stuff is cute, but that is not what I would be wearing anytime soon.
I probably would if it's the only thing.
Yeah.
So I'd rather walk around in clothes that
Yes.
I don't like.
Okay. I'm pretty happy with the outfit we got on my friend's account.
Your garden looks usual.
Well, yeah. I didn't change it.
That was really random.
Yeah.
I loved it. Sorry.
I was just checking, see if there was like anything else new in the beauty clinic.
Yeah, comment down below if you like MSP.
Well, everyone would watch it if you like it.
Yeah, but they might want to check it out. Never know. I'm just saying.
But to be honest, I don't really like Roblox anymore. I'm not saying it's bad, I'm saying I don't play it.
Oh, I play Minecraft and Roblox all the time.
I hardly ever play it.
I'm really chatty.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Well,
I can talk for a long time without shutting up.
Yeah.
And I better shut up now.
Well, I'm just gonna change her outfit anyway, because why not? Yeah.
But you changed it twice.
So, who cares anymore?
I don't.
Okay. Just make her bald, naked, all that good stuff. Right. Okay. Yep. Alright, now we gotta find a nice top.
There's something still on her leg, by the way.
I know, I can't get that.
Oh.
Take too long. That's nice. I like that.
Maybe to try the purple shorts.
Them are not shorts.
What are
I think that I don't know what they are actually. I can't tell. Oh well. I like this.
Maybe put the shorts on top. They might look nice if you can do that.
I'm gonna find some good shoes now.
Maybe the red high heel boots.
Not really, because I mean they're nice, but they wouldn't go with that outfit. I can tell. I can tell Ella likes her red.
Red's a nice colour in MSP.
And out.
Yeah.
I like this. I'll go with this because honestly, Ella, you have too many red stuff.
My favourite colour is always going to be pink, blue and purple.
And this is an okay hair. I mean, it's nice, but not with this outfit.
It's quite nice.
I like this hair, but it doesn't go with this outfit.
Yeah, that's nice.
I like this more.
I agree.
Right.
Whee!
So what? Why do
That's
you?
an eye
Why do you own an eye patch? Just why? Okay.
I'm just gonna go
Maybe
get
with a drip.
clothes on MSP. I'm getting better clothes on MSP.
Okay, this is actually kind of cute with the outfit.
Yeah,
I gotta be honest.
stop. Maybe try the.
Oh yes. Oh yeah. Wait,
Yeah.
maybe not this with the outfit.
Maybe
just
try and put like flower crown on or something. That might be nice.
I like this outfit so far. So so good.
Oh, give shout outs.
Yeah. And then yeah, that's nice. I like that. Okay, this is the outfit for the finishing part.
Yeah.
For the ending.
That was creepy then, because it literally just went cold.
Right. So I think I'm gonna end it here. Don't
Bye,
forget
guys.
to like and subscribe. So bye.